Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at solving a system of equation using inverse matrix. So this is a simultaneous equation which has got three variables x, y, z. So let's take it into matrix. Then it will be here we take 2, 1, 1. Here the coefficient of z is 1. Then for here it will be 1, 1. Here -2. Here 1. Here -2. Then we take the variables which is x, y, z, which is equal to 8, 7, 1. So the second step for finding the inverse matrix, you have to find the determinant of A. So this is A, x, which is equal to, this one is going to be B. So let's find the determinant of matrix A. So for finding the determinant of matrix A, it will be delta A equals, so here we indicate positive minus positive. So you get this first number, you put it here 2, open bracket. Here you cover here the first column and the first row. Then you remain with the first row and the first column. Here there's 1. So it will be -2 times -2, which is the positive 4, minus 1, which is 3. Then here there is negative, so you have to put negative here, -1, because we are moving at a step. So it's going to be here. So we hide the first row and the second column, which is, we remain with 1 times the -2, which is -2, minus 1, which is -3, plus we follow this sign here, this positive, because we are going here. So here we close, there's 1, open. So -1 times 1, which is 1. Then 1 times -2, -2. Negative times negative, which is positive. So 2 plus 1, which is 3. Then let's find the determinant. It will be 2 times 3, which is 6. -1 times -3 plus 3. Then here 1 times 3, which is plus 3, equals to 6 plus 6, here it will be 12. So the determinant is 12. So now let's find the inverse of this matrix A. For first one, you cover the first row and the first column. You remain with this one, which is this one. Then you come here, first row, second column. This is, you indicate minus because it's positive, minus. Then you remain with 1, -2, 1, 1. Then you close the last column and the first row. Then you remain with 1, 1, 1, 1, -2. Then you come here, first column, second row. So first column, second row, it's 1, 1, -2, 1, 1. Here it is 1, -2, 1, 1. So you come second row, second column, which is, we have 2, 2, -2, 1, 1. Here it is 1, 1, 2, -2, which is, then you go at the last second row and the third column, which is 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then last row, first column, you remain with 1, which is positive, 1, 1, -2, 1. Then you come at third row, second column, which is 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1. Then you move on, you hide third column and third row, which is 2 -2 1 1. Step 4, let's find the determinant of this matrix. 2 times this one, 2 times -2 times -2, which is +4, minus 1, which is 3 here. Then this one, 1 times -2, which is -2, minus 1, which is -3. Here there is negative, so it will be +3. Then here, 1 times 1, 1. Then 1 times -2, negative times negative, which is positive. So 1 plus 2, which is 3 here. Then here, 1 times -2, which is -2, minus 1, which is -3. Here there is negative, so negative times the negative, which is positive, so it is +3. Then here, 2 times -2, which is -4. -4 minus 1, which is -5. Then here, 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 1, which is which is 1. Here there is negative, so negative times positive, which is negative. So here is going to be -1. Then here, 1 times 1, 1. -2 times 1, which is -2. Then negative times negative, which is positive. So 1 plus 2, which is 3 here. Then 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 1, which is 1. So here it is negative, so it's going to be -1 here. Then 2 times -2, which is -4, minus 1, which is -5. Step number 5, you have to take this matrix into transpose. So transpose, the column will become rows. So it will be 3 3 3 3. Then here 3 minus 5 minus 1. Then here 3 minus 1 minus 5. You close. This is a transpose. So now let's multiply a transpose which we have found, multiplied by the determinant which we have found, determinant of A. So it will be, the determinant which we found was 12. So it will be 1/12, 3 3 3 3 minus 5 minus 1 3 minus 1 minus 5. So now let's multiply the determinant of A multiplied by the transpose of A, and it will be, because when we multiply 1 times 3, which is 3/12, 1 times 3, 3/12, 1 times 3, 3/12. Then let's extend this one. It will be 1 times 3, which is 3/12, 1 times the -5, which is -5/12, 1 times the -1, which is -1/12. Then 1 times 3, which is 3 over 12. 1 times negative 1, which is minus 1 over 12. 1 times negative 5, which is minus 5 over 12. So now let's multiply a by b, then this is x. Then it will be 3 times 8, 3 times 8, which is 24 over 12. Then 3 times 7, which is plus 21 over 12, plus 3 times 1, which is 3 over 12. Then 3 times 8, which is 24 over 12. Negative 5 times 5, which is minus 35 over 12. Negative 1 times 1, which is minus 1 over 12. Then 3 times 8, which is 24 over 12. Negative 1 times 7, which is minus 7 over 12. Then negative 5 times 1, which is minus 5 over 12. Here x, y, z. So 24 plus 21, which is let's take it 24 plus 24, which is 48. 48 divided by 12, which is 4. Then here 24 minus 35, so it's minus 11. Minus 11. So minus 11 minus 1, which is minus 12. 12 into minus 11, which is minus 1. Then here 24 minus 7. 24 minus 7, which is 17. Minus 5, which is 12. 12 into 12, which is 1. So therefore the value of x is equal to 4. Value of y minus 1. Value of z 1. Thank you for watching.